the ratio of the volume of milk in glass A to the volume of milk in glass B is 1:5. The ratio of volume of milk in glass B to the volume of milk in glass C is 3:2. So right off the bat, you can see there is a repeated identity. Okay, the repeated identity is the milk in glass B. Alright, now given that there is 980 ml of milk in these 3 glasses altogether, how much milk is there in glass A? So what we can do is to make the repeated identity the same, then we combine the ratios. Okay, so 5 and 3 make it the same. Common multiple is 15, so times 3 here, times 5 here. And we'll have 15:10, and then on this side we have 3:15. Then we can know A is to B is to C, 3:15:10, and we also know the total as well, which is going to be 3 plus 15 plus 10. That will be 28 units in total. Okay, and we know that 28 units is representing 980 ml because that's the total, right? So 1 unit is 980 divided by 28. $35 ml. Alright, so how much milk is there in glass A? Now glass A is over here. 3 units of milk is inside glass A. 35 times 3. 105 ml. Final answer for this question, 105 ml.